everyone, welcome to Anaheim Park Tourist. Today we're going to be giving you a tour of our room here at the Element in Anaheim. The Element is located at 1600 South Clementine Boulevard in Anaheim. It is 9/10 of a mile or 1.6 kilometers or an 18-minute walk to the gates of Disneyland. The Element is rated number 90 out of 128 hotels in Anaheim on TripAdvisor. We paid for this out of our own pocket. At the time of filming, parking was $22 a day. We highly recommend checking the hotel website for the most up-to-date information. They also had EV chargers available. We booked a studio suite here at the Element, so that includes 2 queen beds plus a sleeper sofa. It also includes a dining table and a full kitchen, even has a stovetop. We just tested the beds and they are very comfortable. It almost felt like memory foam. And another thing we noticed in this room is a little darker than we expected, having it being a brand new hotel room. It's not too terribly dark. I think the high ceilings really help with that, but I just expected more lighting in here because it is brand new. Our room is located on the very first floor, and at first I thought we might not like that, but we've gone to the lobby 3 or 4 times already and it's super convenient, so I'm really glad with this location. We think this hotel would be a great place to stay if you're staying here long term, with the full kitchen in the room, plus they have grills outside that you can use next to the pool area. Pool is only a pool, no spa, but it is heated. Plus, they offer a full hot breakfast every day, and we cannot wait to check that out tomorrow. In the lobby, they also have free coffee and tea all day long, as well as fruit water, which we tried and it was awesome. Our room does face the Highway 5 side of the hotel, and it's very minimal noise. I was expecting it to be a lot louder, and just every so often you do hear one of the louder vehicles, so we'll let you know in our experience video how it was overnight. This room has tons of outlets. Right here between both beds, there's 2 regular outlets plus 2 USB, and a little bit further down there's also another outlet to use as well. The alarm clock here also has 2 USBs in it as well. I love that this particular bed has 2 nightstands. I always want a nightstand because I love to charge my electronics on the nightstand, but unfortunately this side does not have any outlets nearby, so I won't be able to do that, but I still really love that they added this. Another nice touch is that it's kind of like an extra dresser. These drawers are really deep and you can put extra stuff in there, and it's just a nice touch to have extra storage in this room. I really love this bathroom layout. It's very bright in here compared to the rest of the room, which is always wonderful when you're getting ready. The stand-up shower is amazing. I love that you can turn the water on away from where the water's at, so you can let it warm up without getting wet. Also, the lighted mirror is a really nice touch that we've seen in a lot of hotels lately. I just love it when they include that as well. And one thing we did notice in here, which a lot of hotels are usually lacking, are the amount of hooks to hang clothing and towels. There's 3 right here on this wall, and then there's also an additional one connected to the glass door on the shower. We did notice that the shower head in the shower is very tall. I'm 5'9". I think I could reach it to adjust it, but just wanted to let you guys know. I know a lot of people want to know how tall the shower heads are. I don't think adjusting the shower head would be an issue because this shower is very long. It's probably about the same length as a bathtub, even though it's a stand-up shower, so it's very spacious. So I think you really wouldn't have to worry about adjusting the shower head all too much. And again, like I said earlier, I love that the controls for the shower are on the opposite end of the shower head. Right when you walk in the door, there's a wardrobe here, and it has shelving, hangers, ironing board, and extra bedding for the pull-out bed, as well as a luggage rack. I love this little mini kitchenette here. This is a tiny little dishwasher. There's a 2-burner stove, a microwave, and a mini fridge, plus a sink and glassware. And they also provide everything else that you need in a kitchen: silverware, pots and pans, pot holders, utensils, a cutting board, pretty much everything that you can think of. Plus they have salt and pepper, which I don't think I've ever seen in a room like this. That's a really nice touch that they've added. There's also a coffee pot and a toaster here as well. Over here is the sofa bed. The couch part of it has been really comfortable, and make sure you look for our experience video and we'll let you know how the actual sofa sleeper and the bed feels. We always ask our kids after they sleep in it what they thought of it, so hopefully it'll be a good night's sleep for them, considering this is a newer hotel. it should be very comfortable still. I really love that they've added a dining area here. For us, we eat in the room quite a bit, so having just an extra space that is not the bed to eat is always a huge plus. We also really like this TV. It's a smart TV and you can play music or your streaming services on it. And when we came in, it was very softly playing music and we just really enjoyed that. It kind of reminded us of the Walt Disney World hotels, how they had music playing when we walked in, and it's just a nice touch. So far, we're really enjoying our stay here at the Element in Anaheim and enjoying all the amenities here. If you want to watch a similar video, click here. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking for the bunk bed room here at the Element in Anaheim, we're going to leave a link below in the description for another channel that did a great job on a video here.